What's going on, everybody? This is AR from AR Tactical. Wanted to give y'all a closer look at the TC-68 and show you what exactly I did to it to put that Home Defense 24 modification into the back of it. On the last video, I said it was butchered, and this is what I mean. I cut out with the Dremel the sides and the inside right in between both of the ledges here on the marker to expose the bolts so that I could take out the factory bolt and install the Home Defense 24 bolt. Of course, you can see over here, I dremeled out a little bit more so that the gauge can get in there. Now, this isn't the best way to do it or the prettiest, but it kind of looks like it's supposed to be like that with this silverish gray theme I got going on. So I'm not even really mad about it. But if you don't want to have to take everything apart, total clamshell removal, and get to it, this is the easy way to get to that bolt and get it out so that you can do maintenance on your O-rings and things like that. So it's all up to you. But being that I got this baby out right now and I got y'all looking at it, I'm going to get some testing done. Today we have a 11,000 PSI slide check regulated tank on it. And I don't know what joules that I'm going to use, but probably the heaviest ones that we have. So I'm going to try the S-type 10-gram joule rounds in this one. And we're going to get some numbers. But I just wanted to be thorough and show you guys exactly what I did, what you can do if you feel the need to. I'm sure you can do yours a little bit prettier than I did mine. Like I said, I butchered it, but I still don't think I did too bad of a job. And it is fully functional. It works like it's supposed to. And if you really didn't know, you probably couldn't tell just because I got this gray silverish theme going on. But yep, guys, give me a few seconds and we'll go to the trap. We'll get this thing loaded up and we'll get some numbers.